Have you ever considered how the forces of nature can be harnessed in the construction of a coastal road? It is a captivating thought, isn't it? Welcome. In this episode, we delve into the fascinating world of nature-based solutions in coastal road construction. Imagine a coastal road that doesn't just withstand the power of the ocean, but actually uses it to its advantage. That is exactly what was achieved in the case of the famous Pacific Coast Highway in California. Here, engineers didn't fight against nature, instead they worked in harmony with it. The Pacific Coast Highway stretches over 600 miles along some of the most dramatic and beautiful coastal lines in the world. Building a road in such a location presented a unique set of challenges, from the threat of landslides to the relentless pounding of the Pacific waves. But engineers saw this not as an obstacle, but as instead of building concrete barriers to hold back the sea, they used the natural contours of the coastal line to guide their construction. They incorporated the existing sand dunes and vegetations into their plans, creating a road that was not only functional but also blended seamlessly into the landscape. One of the most innovative techniques they used was the creation of living shorelines. These are designed to mimic natural coastal processes using plants, sand, and rocks to protect against erosion and sea level rise. These living shorelines not only protect the road but also create habitat for the local wildlife, making the Pacific Coast Highway a win-win for both humans and nature. But the innovation didn't stop there. To combat the threat of landslides, engineers used a technique known as bioengineering. This involves using living plant materials to stabilize slopes, creating a natural barrier against landslides. This approach not only helps to protect the road but also enhances the beauty of the surrounding landscape. In conclusion, the Pacific Coast Highway is a prime example of how nature-based solutions can be used in coastal road construction. It shows that it is possible to build infrastructure that is not only functional and resilient, but also in harmony with the natural environment. The key takeaway from this episode is that nature-based solutions in coastal road constructions are not only possible, but also beneficial. They provide a resilient, sustainable, and aesthetically pleasing solution to the challenges of building in the coastal areas. The Pacific Coast Highway demonstrates that with careful planning and innovative thinking, we can work with nature rather than against it to create infrastructure that stands the test of time. So next time you're driving along a coastal road, take a moment to consider the incredible engineering feats that have made it possible. And remember, when we work with nature, the possibilities are truly endless.